Take a ride in the 2009 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, tires, front, on-off road, tires, rear, on-off road, front disc rear drum brakes. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, power outlet, power door locks, power windows, power steering, bucket seats, rear head airbag, cloth seats, driver airbag. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.